Hello again, I'm Dr. John Rollins, and Dr. Dan and I are going to share with you some of the benefits of our targeting or focus products. That is, our Pathways Plus line that have been especially formulated to give additional apoptosis support in our various tissues and organ systems. We're going to start with our product called Pathways Plus Cardiovascular Support. And Dr. Dan is going to share a little bit about that product and some of its benefits.
Okay. You have one heart, 100,000 miles of blood vessels, and when they're working great, that's okay, but it is also the #1 killer in the United States with cardiovascular disease. And so obviously we want to support it to the max. When we look at the different things that are going on, one of the interesting factors was that in addition to looking at many studies on PubMed talking about heart disease or cardiovascular disease, about a third of the articles in talking about various plants that were being tested talked about cardioprotective, helping to prevent problems in the first place, not just reacting after the fact when you're already in trouble. Instead of managing abnormal, again coming back to how can we support more normal. And so ultimately, the plants that Dr. McAnally chose work together synergistically in a multitude of different ways, a multitude of different aspects of how they support the heart and the blood vessels. So we're talking about things like more normal blood pressure, more normal cholesterol levels, more normal triglyceride levels, more normal heart function, more normal heart rhythm, more normal heart everything. We're absolutely doing things that give the body the nutrients it requires to support the heart and the cardiovascular system to the max. And if you've already gotten into trouble, had a heart attack, something of that nature, something that's going to help maximize normal function of the remaining heart cells that are still working the way they want to. You definitely want that to continue occurring. Dr. John, there is something else about it that you mentioned earlier.
Yeah, I get excited about this part of it, and certainly the other is very, very important. But one of the side benefits, if you will, that the company, that is the researchers discovered, was that one or more of the plants that were chosen to support apoptosis in this product also supplies an inordinate, and I say inordinate, it is not abnormal for the plant, supplies a tremendous amount of natural vitamin C. And that, for me, lends credence to the notion that this product supports maintaining or returning or restoring a balance of blood lipids, removing excess cholesterol. The vitamin C can assist in removing that excess lipid even from our guts, even before it's absorbed into our bloodstream. Thank you, folks.